Hello, family. Happy Father's Day weekend to all fathers out there. I was mixing some colors this morning, and I had a whole bunch of yellow left after filling my ketchup bottle. So I'm gonna be doing something with this used canvas that I had. It happens to be around the shop. So I was giving a thought, and maybe I want to use them. So I'm gonna be combining the mix that I do with tallow blue and black, some black, the yellow, and maybe a little tallow blue, and the FolkArt milk paint mix that I have. So this is the plan. I'm gonna be just doing kind of running ring pour with the back round. So let's see. Let's do it. Alright, we're ready now, much better. As you see, I put some tape, then I put these hooks. The reason I've used these hooks is because it allows me to put my fingers, below, and being able to move the canvas easier. Alright. So, as I was saying, I'm gonna be doing like a ring pour, like a traveling ring pour, getting the effect of the milk paint, and just gonna be using those colors. I'm not looking for the special cells that I use in the outside, just typical drawing. So I'm gonna be just adding a little mix of the one that I have in the outside. Probably I come back later with the ring pour. Let me just begin by adding some white to the bottom, then adding that blue, and we're gonna do it in the side of the cup. I'm gonna add some blue to the mix. And I'm gonna add the yellow. I'm gonna add a little black to contrast. Let me mix this. I hope that doesn't affect. A little black, white, let's do another one. Blue again, blue, tallow blue, more yellow, white. This time the white is gonna be on top of the mix. I think I have plenty of paint there for this small canvas, so we'll see. Let me just let's see what happens, my friends. I'm gonna just start. As I normally do, and this is no different. I'm gonna be just adding some lines. That will give me some design if it doesn't sink. And then I'm gonna be adding the yellow too. Okay. So I'm looking for that yellow. You know, I told you this is a. Okay, let me just put the background. I don't want to lose that much of the drawing, so you want to slide in, you see? Once you do that, it slides and you don't lose the pattern. I will be checking the dimension on this one because it looks to be quite big. This is just for fun, as I told you, so we'll see what happens. It's developing a very nice looking pattern. Let me just keep that same shadow in there. You see? Let me clean my hands. See if I fix something that I see here. Let me get a skewer. This white spot here. You see? That's done. Let me just get to finalize this area here. You see how interesting when I added those lines, you know, it gives kind of a bold area, you know, make those roads, you know. Normally I did those in the past after the picture, the painting was done, but I did it in one of the last paints I did, and I like it very much. This one is looking good. I like it. Very nice. Let me see what I see here. I see also something here. Let me just What do you guys think? Good conversation piece, you know. Nice. Let me just clean the areas around, and I'll show it to you a little later. See if something else develops. Okay, it's like 45 minutes after I finish. Look how many cells develop in that corner there. Interesting. You see that cloud effect? Nice. And all the cells and everything that developed there. Turned out to be very beautiful, you know. It's a little dark in here so you don't see the how nice the blue and the yellow and that green that form finish. So if you like what you saw, just subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications, like, share, comment. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for watching, and you know, keep on pouring. Blessing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell to get notifications.